Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Larissa Nicolette, and today I'm going to show you this date night look. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Rita Hazzan Root Touch-Up Spray, and I like to do this before I apply any foundation because it tends to get on the forehead a little bit. I use this to touch up my grays, but I also use it to make my hairline look a little bit darker and thicker. Then I'm going to go in with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. And this is my first time using the Orgins Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. This comes out like shaving cream, but when you put it on your skin, it feels so different. It definitely has that cooling sensation, which is really nice. I can see this being great to use in the summertime. Also, it feels so nice and silky on my skin. So far, I am loving this primer. We're going to start with eye makeup first before we add any foundation because this is going to be a bold eye. Might as well go bold if we're doing a date night, right? I'm just going to add some tape to the eye to have a nice line to follow. I'm going to be using my Morphe Second Nature palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Orb and just brush that on my brow bone. Then blending just under the brow bone, we take the color Heat. Then I took the color Chestnut and blended that right into the crease. Then I wanted more of a purpley red color, kind of like the wine I was drinking, so I went with my MAC Sketch Eyeshadow to deepen the crease. Then back to that Morphe Second Nature palette, I went in with the color Whiz, and I focused this more on the outer corner of the eye and bring it a little bit into the crease. Again, I just wanted to add a little bit more purple to this, so I went with my MAC Cranberry eyeshadow and I smoked out that black. Then I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I cut out that center. Then I used the color Pure to tap that right on the center. Then I took the color Polished and I blended that in where we put the Pure to make it more of a champagne pink color. Then I just used my Too Faced sketch marker and followed that tape to do a cat eye. Take off the tape, then use the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Liner for the upper and lower lashes. Now I took the color Chestnut and I smudged that on my bottom lash line. Then I blended in the color Brunette. Then I took that color Whiz again and I blended that on the outer corners of my lash line. And to finish off the eyes, I used Lilly lashes in Miami. Okay, let's start on that face. I'm going to go in with my Nars All Day Luminous Foundation in the color Punjab. Then I use my Shape Tape to conceal. Blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Then set that with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Okay, while that sets, I like to do my eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. Time to take off that excess powder. Then I'm going to do some contouring with the Tarte, the Sculptor Contour Stick. Blend that out with the Tarte Slenderizing Brush. Then just bronze up with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. For blush, I use the Tarte blush in the color Risque. And for highlight, I'm just going to start with my Cover FX Rose Gold Drops. Then for some added pop, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color Bubbly. I wanted to do a neutral lip because it's all about the eyes tonight, so I went with the Tarte Creamy Matte Lip Paint in the color Birthday Suit. Then, to make them a little bit more alive, I added the Tarte Lippy Lingerie Matte Lip Tint in the color Undressed. And that's it, guys. Here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.